Chapter 3 for our app Videos for Confluence. We will show you how to filter and search for videos. We have been here in this space context of the open space on our demo platform, where we have also uploaded a new video just recently. This view shows you all the videos which are associated with a certain space. Our test instance is quite small, so most of the videos are actually associated with this open space. But our app really makes your Confluence platform into a media hub by adding a video item in the Confluence header bar here. The global item here combines all the videos for which a user has access permissions throughout the instance. That means it lists both space videos and videos cleared for global access. The type of video is indicated by the different symbols on the video cards. For example, a lock symbol means that the video is actually only accessible within a certain space, but my user here has access permissions. The globe icon, on the other hand, means that the video is available to all users on the platform, therefore it's also listed here. Our demo instance only includes 13 videos, a very small number, but hopefully the number of videos on your platform will grow and grow. So it's actually quite important to be able to narrow down and filter the videos which might be the most interesting to you. For this use case, this view offers quite some possibilities. First of all, the tabs on the top left. I'm now on all videos, but I can switch to other items such as my favorite videos. Maybe I haven't had the time to watch the video, I just favorited it and kept it for later. Or I can switch to my recently watched videos, just listing the videos that I have already seen, and maybe I want to see them again. Next is the free text search. You can search for any term, just like jogging for the recently uploaded video, and the search will list all the videos with a hit on the selected search term. But it gets better. Our app actually offers enhanced filters. All the metadata that we've used during the upload of the video can now be used as filter options. For example, event as category, custom as target group, or different labels. You can also select the languages to simply find the videos you can understand, for example. And please note that the filters here only include the values which are actually in use for videos on your platform. So it's not a huge list of all the labels for all the Confluence pages, only the ones which are actually used for videos. Videos for Confluence also integrates nicely with the global Confluence search. In our case, the videos are an own search type. Just select it here, give any kind of search term, and the Confluence search will list you the hits. We can then jump to the detailed page also directly from here. So the global video hub really gives you a good overview of all the videos accessible to you. And it's fast and easy to find the videos which might be interesting to you and which you would like to watch. Check out our app. Thanks.